Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to guide you through the step-by-step process of applying to SUNY Korea. This guide will cover all the essential details, so make sure you stay engaged. To start off, visit the SUNY Korea admissions website and locate the Apply Now button. Within the Start Your Application section, choose the school you wish to apply to. Let's take Stony Brook as an example. If this is your first time applying to SUNY, click on Create an Account. Fill in the necessary information and complete the registration process. Afterward, use the PIN sent to your email to log in. Then, set up your password and you will gain access to your personalized portal. Within your portal, you can initiate your application. Begin by indicating your preferred first and second major choices, admission type, and student type. Provide your personal details in the designated section. For the emergency contact, fill out the information of your parent or guardian. Next, write a personal statement in the dedicated section. Share insights about yourself and why you're great fit for SUNY Korea. If you've had an academic gap, make sure to explain it here. In the academic history section, list all the educational institutions you've attended and complete the necessary fields. Transcripts from these institutions will also need to be submitted. If you meet specific criteria, English test scores might be waived. If not, report your English test scores in this section. Note that these scores will need to be later verified through the testing agency. Designate a recommender from whom you'd like to receive a recommendation letter. Provide their email address, and the system will automatically send them the necessary form. Include any extracurricular activities you've been involved in. The optional essays and supplementary document sections are for applicants who want to provide additional materials, such as ACT scores, Korean national exam results, awards, and more. If you're interested in applying for scholarships and financial aid, complete the relevant forms alongside your application submission. It's important to note that late submissions for these forms won't be accepted. For financial aid applications, you will need to submit proof of your parents' or guardian's income and family relations. Don't forget to fill out the survey and sign up with your name. This marks the completion of your application. You can review the application status to ensure all necessary documents are included. If you require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our admissions office. Thank you, and stay tuned for more valuable topics from me in the future.